Hey everybody, 'tis the season for fall festivities and I figured I'd show you guys a quick, easy project you could do just in your shop or with your kids or with family or friends, but making these horseshoe pumpkins, and you can customize them whatever way you like. This is the original style that I saw and came up with, and then we modified it to make this more boho chic pumpkin. So today we're going to be using the ProPulse 220 MTS with 030 wire and just a standard synergic program. Most of the welds are just tack welds, so you don't need anything fancy. Make sure the horseshoes are clean, so you can either get the rust off grinding, sandblasting, soaking in some type of evaporust solution, and we're going to get started. Okay, so we have 9 horseshoes here, and I've matched them up all with similar sizes, as those will be your pairs to make the pumpkin. We have our ProPulse 220 MTS, and we're running 030 wire on just a standard steel synergic program. So you have your 2 horseshoes. I'm laying them face down with the clips facing opposite. So this one the clips are up, this one the clips are down if your horseshoes have clips on them. Just to even it out a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and do a tack weld on there. Okay, so now we have our first pumpkin ring. Gonna go with our second. More diagonal, I guess I'll say, horseshoes, I kind of just hold it because that's easier. Base of your pumpkin. Next up, we'll be taking a singular horseshoe and cutting it in half to make the stem. And that cuts good. To make the stem, we came up with a different idea, and that was to take filler rod, and you put this part in a drill, this part in a vise, and it just twists it all together to kind of make a stem, and then you can manipulate it in whatever way you want. We'll have to cut this off, and I think we're going to make this part the top of it. And then I also made some little curlies. You take some welding wire, wrap it around something, and then you can weld it on there to give it some binds. Okay, I did it better.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Watch your eyeballs. different types of horseshoe pumpkins. Obviously, you can modify it to your own taste. I think this one will look pretty cool in black with the copper accessories as well. Let me know what you think of this project. Drop it below in the comments. Like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at htpamerica_USA Weld. Thanks for watching.